Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to talk about a mission Artemis 2. So let's see what are the informations in NASA. So it is a live tracker for Artemis 2 mission. It is arrived tomorrow 5:37 a.m. landing for Pacific Ocean in Florida
They're seeing
Beach.
an indication on
Now
the smoke
you
detector,
all
and I
see
think it's when the flash goes off.
distance raised to Earth.
So,
That's
curious.
mean
Thank you.
what is the distance of Earth at that
This is Artemis Mission Control in Houston, Texas. We're currently 7 days, 5 hours, and 22 minutes into the
now time return to
Artemis
Earth
2 mission.
12
You can
hours
see the crew there on your
and
screen inside
2
the
minutes and 40
spacecraft,
seconds.
which was named by its
So
crew. They are currently
we all see
capturing some
the live
images. It
tracker.
looks like
Now
they're
you
capturing
can all
images
see
of
in
each
this
other. One of the
live NASA live TV
cabin windows with a view of Earth
how
outside.
astronauts
Of
are
course, we have been
reacting.
uploading and sharing imagery as we
Now I will
receive it
show you
from the crew.
what's the importance of this. In 1972,
There on your screen from left to right, you can see NASA
Apollo
astronaut
13
Christina Cook.
aircraft goes for 400,000
Astronaut Reed Wiseman and Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jeremy Hansen and
distance, and
like
after 50
trying to show off
years,
the image that he was capturing just
Orion
now.
aircraft goes 400,000 and 6,778. So it is a new record after 50 years. So when um, entering Orion aircraft
Wow, thank you for showing
for Earth, it be like a fireball.
us that. That is so
So
cool.
now you have a question. I think why is it be a fireball? Because of when Orion aircraft entering to the Earth, it is squish all
We look
air
like we're smiling at you,
in
like a little Cheshire cat.
Earth. When entering for the Earth, there is
Yeah, that is exactly the same comment that we made, and that's why we put beside it for his smile. And took a picture of him there. His smile is as bright as
I believe it. Thank you.
So when Orion aircraft
Sunny 16, we
landing
take a picture of
for
a happy icon.
Pacific Ocean in Florida Beach near in 2 hours, they should bring for a
Now
ship,
Ecom is as happy as the Earth.
John
And Houston, you're
ship.
seeing a little bit of a CCU dump
After 10 days
yourselves across the
without
Earth and a solar
gravity,
array. So it's a pretty
it
sweet
is
view
much
out window
difficult
one right
when
now.
gain gravity in Earth. So
this is Mission Control Houston, and this morning as we get underway with Flight Day 9 on the Artemis 2 mission, joining us today, Johnson Space
when
Center Director Vanessa Weich. Vanessa, thanks for being with us today. It's a privilege.
Goes around moon.
What a phenomenal mission we've been having. So excited to be here.
There's break there.
In nature, we're about 32 hours until we're expecting the crew to splash down in the Pacific to complete the mission.
Find some
big picture. The history-making aspects of the mission are clearly delineated, but in your mind, the significance of what we are pulling off here this week, what is for the future?
You know, Rob, it's just it's hard to describe the significance of this mission. We have building, planning our teams towards this for quite some time.
That's why
the Orion spacecraft is managed here at the Johnson Space Center. We have been a part of the design, development, test of that vehicle, and it's had milestones along the way. You know, we had our uncrewed Artemis 1 mission back in 2022, but now we have our astronauts on board, and they are demonstrating that that spacecraft is ready for us to have humans on board, for us to continue deep space exploration, which we have not done since 1972. So this is the Artemis generation. This is our generation's opportunity to explore and to build from what Apollo did, but moving to the moon, we're now going to have a moon base. We're going to learn how to live there. We're going to go to Mars. It opens up all of the universe. It's just amazing for human exploration.
It is a very new effort for Earth, all of us.
And we're on board integrity with our 4 astronauts, Christina Cook on the left.
You can see
Victor Glover, Commander Reed Wiseman, and Jeremy Hansen of the Canadian
in 2027
Space Agency on the right.
Like
the crew is continuing.
So it is a very successful.
Continuing to stow equipment on board. They've concluded a conference with entry.
So,
Director Rick Henfling to review procedures for
very proud of this
tomorrow's return to Earth. And we'll soon be moving into a midday meal.
For important for your
on this day before their homecoming to planet Earth.
So, I think you must be important. You
and Jackie, while I have you.
So, guys, I think you all important these, and if you think you all need an important these, please subscribe my channel and share this video for your friends to watch this video. Then let's go and shut out. Bye.